What's up, guys? We're at Jose's house. He got some goodies today for his S13. What's that? It's a surprise. Hey, don't put it into it that hard. Today we'll be doing an unboxing, and we'll also be installing something on the S13 today. We're probably gonna go eat first, so I'll see y'all there. Hey guys, you see what that Japanese sign says right there? It says he eats cock. I probably won't be filming in there, so I'll check y'all guys later.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Sane. You know, we're glad to see Jose's washing his car again because he keeps it so dirty. Never washes it. You probably know this guy.
Hey, what's up, guys?
You know, you'll probably see him in the channel quite a bit. Who this is? I'm just kidding. I'm Oscar. Go check out my channel. I'll give it back to the real Thank you, Sane.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Welcome back to the channel. We got Jose cleaning his car right now because we got some stuff we're going to be doing to the 240 today. So I hope y'all enjoy the content that I have out. I'm going to leave the cinematics to you guys. R.I.P. Little Wing. We're about to go to the workshop, guys, and we're gonna put this baby back on. So, what's up, guys? Just made it to Oscar's house, and we are setting up to do a thumbnail for Oscar's video. So make sure to go check that video out and leave some comments on this thumbnail once we're done with it. I'm gonna sit y'all guys down right about here so y'all can see these beautiful pictures we're about to take.
Ooh, like models.
What the heck?
It's a family. It's a Christian. It's a Christian and family friendly channel.
I don't think it's on the squat. I don't think it's on the squat. Your suspension is really good.
How do you get 3 Mexicans in a 240? My wife, you said she got it. Hello. Alright, guys.
Were you recording the whole thing?
Yeah! Everything out for us for his 240. He has his 180 headlights straight from Japan. He got his connectors that came in right here. What are these? Those are the, oh yeah, those are for the trim, and then the key lock, right?
Yeah.
For the key lock, the Erna garnish, and then the reverse lights. So what he's gonna do is replace these OEM ones.
No, these are circuit sport.
Oh, they're the circuit sport ones?
Yeah.
Wait, this is the second time you're replacing them?
No, this is what
It already came with them, right?
It came with the car. I have these on my other car, but I don't really like them. I've always wanted these.
Yeah, the 180 ones.
I've bought my first 240. I've always wanted those, but they're like expensive, especially brand new from Nissan. I finally got them because income tax money.
Income tax money. Thank you, Trump.
Thank you, Trump.
So guys, I'll let y'all watch Jose get ready and take those old headlights out for y'all.
Just put the music on. Whoa, you take my shots.
This is some baby making music.
I told you something's gonna end up breaking.
This 240.
Start playing Make sure you don't lose none of these, because it will suck.
What was that?
Losing your nuts.
Hey, I'm about to do a jutsu on Jose.
Oh, you're gonna do it on me!
Guys, if y'all want to see Oscar do some burnouts in the 240, leave a big fat like and comment.
Your glasses. You have to do that when you're bent over.
So guys, they are all removed.
Thank you.
It's naked, it's a naked butt, no panties.
God, wait a
So basically what he did, he took out these screws. Yeah, these screws right here.
Get off my shot, bro.
Disconnect the other connection.
Yeah, just disconnect everything. Make sure you take the positive off, negative off. And then that's pretty much it. Yeah, just remove the entire battery, you'll be good. So right now, Oscar and Jose are taking off the gunk
What are you doing?
to make the shit easier to put in.
About to get these in. Oh, look at them lights. It's so good.
Nice.
That butt light though.
Hey, you should do that for the vlog. Can we follow you?
Or is it this like this?
That's a good difference.
That is. So guys, he's available. I'm gonna leave all his information in the description down below. I'm gonna leave his Tinder, his phone number, his Instagram, all of it. Premium Snap coming soon.
I don't even know. I already got a premium snap.
Ooh, that butt dough. That butt dough. That butt dough. Oh, this butt dough. Sorry guys.
You're not gonna press it.
Oh, you can press it.
No, I want to look at it.
So guys, we got all the connections connected. We almost had a heart attack because we thought one of these wires from the body harness was supposed to come over here and connect it to one of these connectors, but Jose had a little but we had a little spaz, but we got it all. So about to test it right now.
Oh, you want me to film it?
Ooh! Try the turn signals. Ooh. Damn.
Do the running lights. Oh, there you go.
Oh man.
You already went in reverse.
Hot boy, hot boy.
Running lights. Right there, you're running lights. Turn on. There you go.
Hot boy, hot boy. Ooh.
Alright, my turn.
Fire.
It's like a strip show. Get scratches because that's how you get scratches.
She said you had a flat ass.
Now you got some high water.
Hoes talking shit.
I know. How do you deal with that, Oscar?
very much patience.
Like,
What?
fuck,
Yes, take all your shit.
and I could have.
What the heck, man?
My baby. Beautiful.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Sorry I didn't really get to Jose to drive off so we can see the taillights and all of that, but all I want to say, if you made it this far to the video, I am very, very glad that y'all made it this far. I hope y'all enjoyed that quick little install video with Jose's new taillights. Those things are so sick. They're looking really, really dope. I'm glad that he got them in. They look really, really clean on the 240. And just, man, leave some feedback. Leave a comment down below if you like those taillights, because man, those taillights are so fire. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed the collaboration with Oscar. Make sure to go check out his channel to support the homie. He's a really good friend. He's a really awesome dude. So make sure to go check out his channel. I'll leave a link in the description, or I'll leave it somewhere around here. New content is coming out. It's gonna be really dope. So go make sure to go check his channel out, guys. So guys, I'll see y'all on the next vlog soon.